Right here. Okay, so we want to regain that. We're going to take a look at these RSIs and stuff in a second and zoom in on this thing. At first it looked like a 5 wave up here, but it has lost anything like that. Take it when it took out this level right here. Okay, that would have been the top of your 2. It should have bounced from there. Ended up having a 5 wave right inside here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. All right, so this should be a corrective wave in here. We need to regain this here. Okay, if I zoom in here and show you this thing, this is on a monthly chart. Right, you can see that we have lost this trend line right down through here. Right, so we want to regain that. All right, now if we look at the RSIs on the monthly, trying to turn back up. You can see the curve starting on that thing, trying to get back to the upside. All right, on the weekly, you're bullish. What is a 13 and a 10, looking good. All right, the 5-day heading to the upside, looks fantastic. Your 3-day still bullish, 56 and a 47, and your daily. The daily is trying to turn back up here. All right, if we zoom in and look at this here. All right, you can see we're just below there. Okay, trying to get back up there and regain this thing. Looks like we had some waves down in here for sure. Well, all right, ended up looks like a 2. How much of a wave was this one here? Probably 382. It looks like. Let's take a measurement off that. Not even. Yeah, just about a 382. Right about. We're looking at this area right over here. Right, just about a 382 retracement. These wicks, this volume coming in, that can make them wicks pretty high. Sometimes you just want to ignore them big wicks and go with your regular, your regular targets here. You have almost a 50%. You definitely have a 382 here. All right, so it looks like a 5-wave down pattern through here. You got 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 and 5, maybe. We've got a lot of waves in here. All right, so that RSI, we're counting on that to get us back to the upside here. Right, if you had a wave in here, any kind of 5th wave target for that thing, let's go without that wick. Sometimes you have to get proper measurement here. All right, right to the top. Would be close for a bottom. All right, let's give it a 0.044. Doesn't always go to that full 1618. All right, so this could get, or it could get one more push down here, finish that out, and then start back up, or it's starting back up from here. One of the two. All right, I ended up I put a trade out there for Hedera. A quick trade that's going to happen here. I put it out for the members. If you're interested in that stuff, sign up for a level 3 membership. It's only $15. You can make that back in well, this trade here, you're looking at if you put 1,000 on it, possibly making 350 on it, or 350 bucks. That $15 is nothing. Plus you get 10 hours of videos to watch to teach you how to start charting here. All right, now if we zoom in here a little bit closer, like I said, that daily is trying to make a push back up here, but we need to regain this. Right, any kind of waves in here, you might have a 5-wave up here. If we come in and measure, all right, if you had a 5-wave here, this is on a daily chart, so let's zoom in just a little bit more, like on a 4. All right, that way we can count waves a lot easier. There you go. Now, you definitely had a 5. This was a 4 and a 5. All right, 1618 would have gave you your target. We use that, pull it down. Pretty close. Came right up here, almost to that 5.3. If you don't use these wicks, sometimes you get better targets and you'll hit them. These wicks can be very volatile, with the volatility and stuff. If you take away that, or even this bottom wick, if you took it away and just used your top ones, like this here, and then right there, you still came very, very close. So you have a corrective movement here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks like 5 waves down, but any kind of retracement back up, you'd be looking for a 618, 702, right? Let's zoom in on this. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This might be starting back to the upside. All right, you'd expect to run back up at least to a 618 or 702, and this thing is only, where's it at? 50%. Not even a 50% yet. All right, that's on the 4 hour. If you zoom in a little bit tighter, you can see some higher high, higher low, higher high. Looks like a higher low is going to come in here, and probably another push to the upside. So Hedera, once it reaches these areas up here, 0.5 cents, 0.051, 0.0517, we'll see what happens. We're going to put a box up there. That's where I believe it's more than likely headed to, and then that will give us a lot of answers here. The rest of the market looks pretty good. Bitcoin looks good. Um, Everything's up today. Bitcoin's up about $2,300 right now, but that's our short-term target here. For the upside, you definitely don't want to lose this low down here. But for that fifth wave down, that was in here, right here, 4-5. Looks like that could be complete. All right, you had one right through here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, that could be a bottom right there, and we could be starting towards the upside here. Anyway, I'm expecting a push up here soon. Out of this thing, it's starting to move now. All right, so we'll see what happens here. I gave a target to the people in Discord over there. I put that out as a members only trade, an entry point, all that is in there. So keep an eye on Hedera, and watch for it push up towards these levels here eventually, and then we'll see what happens after that. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day, and I'll be back with you very, very soon.